Hello, fellow creatives. Let me hope we are all fine and good. Today I'm going to be discussing business ideas for a person starting up online for money. Okay, so if at all you want to start up that side hustle business online and you be earning money that is recurring now, then that is like every time like that, whether you have worked or you have not worked. So if you want that, then this is the right video to watch. Okay, so if you're a new creative who wants to make money online, okay, and you don't want to spend a lot of time sharing, okay, sharing, maybe making email lists, see doing what and what and what, that stuff. So you want to set up something for once and you begin making money and money over and over again, okay, online. So the first idea I would start with is consistency. Consistency. So that is the thing. Okay, so I'm putting these ideas together, but the first thing that I wish I knew before even starting up any business online is consistency. So you have to first make sure that you are consistent. Okay, so you're not going to do it now and you stop. So if online you're going to do that, then let me give you an example. Most of the times you don't see people showing, or online it is rare, a little bit more difficult, unless you are lucky enough. I would call it even luck, for you to see the people you are influencing in real time. Okay, it is a little bit difficult. So most of the times you do not see the people you are influencing. Say you happen to take stock footage, because I'm going to be sharing some of the like the side hustles you would take that would earn you something that is legit. You just know that at least within this period I'm going to be able to make this amount of money. It would take you some time, but you're sure than you watching 1,000 and hundreds of videos on YouTube and you end up making nothing. You watch over 30 minutes or 40 minutes and you earn, like, you can literally earn nothing out of those videos. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to be sharing. So the first thing, okay, so this is not a business idea, this is what I wish I knew as at the matter of starting. Consistency is key online for you to make money. Then from that, the first business idea that I would give you is you go for stock what? Stock footage. So someone may be like, I have no what stock footage. I no, let me get this. So someone may be like, I have no camera, I have no this. Now it is you now to choose. You either go and buy a camera because you are looking at making money. It means basically you also have to invest in to make money. Okay, and now there has come this generation where we can use AI tools to create images, to create videos and that stuff. So you can also use that and generate images that you upload to stock websites like Shutterstock. We have Adobe Stock. There are a lot of basically sites that provide you with platforms that you can upload on and earn. So stock, if I put stock um, websites, so these are like stock websites that you can go to sign up as a contributor. For example, Adobe Stock, get images, Pond 5 for videos. Then we have so we have deposit photos. So there are a lot of stock websites, okay, that you can go to and earn. Okay, are you seeing all of these ones are stock websites that you can upload your images as a contributor and you begin earning. Like we have Shutterstock, Pixel, we have Morningstar, investing.com, You get, so those are different platforms that you can upload on your photos, and when people download them and you use them, you earn something. And that photo is not downloaded and removed from the site, it remains. It means that today I may use it, tomorrow another person uses it, the other one, like that. So it remains recurring, earning you several what? Several months, several years, and the lifetime at large. Okay, so all of these are different websites that offer that. Okay, then after looking at that, so this, I would say what determines this is number and quality, but numbers of photos determine this a lot. So if at all you have less photos, then it means you will come at the what? The bottom. Then the other thing is, okay, so the other thing is, uh, about this, we've talked about the number matters a lot. Then from the number of images or videos that you have on your profile, it also what matters is advertising, getting your stock in front of people. But you find that most of these platforms have marketing mechanisms that they do, like Shutterstock, and you just find yourself people buying because it is rather known. Okay, so that is why I urge you to start with stock footage and photography, because for me, who is teaching, you have made several money from stock photography. But the first thing I would tell you, you have to put shame aside or fear aside, then go. You have to be a good communicator, okay, to people. Like you have friends that you school with, okay, request them to go and wear their suits, come up with the stories, shoot images, and come like reflecting a certain what? Story. You get? So then the other thing is, go like, I'm sharing these ideas, but they may cost you a little bit of some money. Then from there, go learn skills. Okay, learn some skills like editing skills. Okay, that is how to earn money online. Go and learn some skills like animating, editing. Besides animating and editing, go, okay, and um okay, let me share you another one. So we need skills like graphics skills, video editing skills, that skills that keeps you in the game, that even helps you reduce some costs that you would have what? Incurred. Okay, then the other thing that we should always keep in mind, okay, for a person starting up a business, okay, so you should aim at reducing the costs or the expenditures of your business. Okay, for example, try to like at least hire people, members of your family, okay, members of your family, because I believe those would be honest and would be knowing how you're standing right then, to see that you raise up the school what? Oh, sorry. So, skills. So we talk about the skills as I had talked about them. So we need these skills to make sure that we have, or we happen to like offer those skills to people and we earn, so they pay for our skills. So if at all you have no any skill set, you cannot vocal train someone. If at all you're a musician, you cannot play a guitar, you cannot like shoot or edit some videos, it means you're in the wrong place. Okay, you're not in the wrong place, but you're cheating yourself because you do not know anything in your career. So you cannot do anything in your career. Is it right? So then the other thing, look at, I have this business idea. Look at hosting. Okay, so you maybe go to Hostinger, get your pay your hosting package, then you start renting other people, forming websites for them, renting them, and within 2 years, have that vision of a long run. Okay, so what like tears us up is we having short goals. Okay, that tears us a lot. Okay, because it is like you want to do something, but you're like, you do it for a month, you jump off that one and you try something else. So you also confuse your customers. Today you're doing this, the next day you're doing another thing, the other day another thing. So even that person who was looking at coming to you consulting or even paying you to do that same thing will not pay you because he so keep that in mind. So with this hosting package, so let me say you have paid for your hosting with Hostinger, you've paid for a hosting of 100 websites. So you may not create all of those 100 websites. Okay, you have maybe you create 5 that are basically yours. Then as you think of others, these other people that happen to be your clients can call you and you host them in your hosting package. Okay, because you cannot accomplish all those 100 websites one person. You get that? So endeavor to see that you do that, and within a long run, just imagine for you pay maybe 300 a year, okay, to have that package, or 500,000 a year, or let's just imagine you pay something like maybe $50, okay, per year. Okay, then this, when you happen to pay for that hosting package, then you get other people that need a hosting then you host them on your platform, and every year they happen to pay you without any rentals, without anything. Then the other thing I would say is invest in invest in stock, invest in music, invest in what you feel you are passionate about. Okay, because that would keep you moving. Okay, so now with that, at least we've shared some skill set. Okay, so you can also begin an e-commerce store, okay, on your website. So when I try to recall back when, for me, I was just starting internet, I never had money to like open up maybe Hostinger, open up maybe e-commerce. I would just remain with my footage and the camera. Okay, and I believe most of us that are basically looking here, that is what we have. Maybe we have a camera. So now I would advise you, the best thing that you would start with is stock stock footage. So with it, because it is just needs to be that your lens is smooth. Okay, it has no any scratch stuff, because okay, sorry about that. The last thing I would say is, okay, endeavor to see that you subscribe, because I'm trying my level best to see that we make it here. So if at all for you, you are free with sharing and you're comfortable with sharing different links, okay, with people, and you have some money that you can run affiliate marketing, then you give it a try, because I tried it with Distrokid and I was earning some good money. So you can try it out and see, does it work for you? Okay, so it is all about persistence, because as you work, you happen to learn new things, you happen to learn new stuff. So that is it basically. So thank you for watching, and remember, stay logged to Munye Scripts Lifestyle. So we shall be sharing a lot of stuff, and I'm looking at introducing the freestyle session or the recording singing session every weekend. So endeavor to see that you subscribe so that you do not miss out on any videos that we happen to release out. Thank you for watching. We love you.